how to turn on recommend me to my friends on Likey app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on recommend me to my friends on Likey app. First thing, go to Likey app and then just click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find don't recommend me to my friends and turn it on, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.